You are welcome to ABC Creative Art TV. Join me in this art tutorial as I draw the evening stroll on a piece of white paper using a 5B pencil. Let's go. The evening stroll. When you have watched this drawing on video from beginning to the end, get your art materials and create your own drawing. You can do it. We truly believe in your ability to get it right with a continuous practice. Congratulations to you in advance. We are also grateful to you for subscribing to our channel and also for the likes you give to our videos as they drop every week. Thank you for sharing our video links with your family and friends. See you in the next video.